had said that, and that this was a blot on martyrs who had died in Kashmir. But unlike what one of those attackers was saying, it didn't seem like they came for answers. They came to rough him up, and in fact even beating the other lawyers and journalists who were trying to stop them. Mr. Bhushan then falling on the floor of his chair and then being kicked before other lawyers could take this attacker into custody. In fact, let's just listen in to the reasons for why these three men in fact entered those lawyers' chambers and beat up Prashant Bhushan, one of the attackers being taken into custody, speaking to reporters.
जवाब मांगने आए थे और उन्होंने हाथापाई करी, तो इसलिए उसका विरोध हमने करा।
कितने लोग थे वहाँ पे?
सर हम 3 लोग थे। तो मेरा नाम इंदर वर्मा है। इंदर वर्मा है। और आपने भी पहले आपने उनका हाथ उठाया? तो उनके लोगों ने सर हमें मारने की कोशिश करी। हमने सिर्फ अपना क्या नाम है जवाब मांगा। एक बार फिर से मुद्दा बताएंगे, किस मुद्दे पर आए थे आप? ये कश्मीर के मुद्दे पे। कश्मीर इन्होंने पाकिस्तान को देने की बात करी और ये हमारे शहीदों का अपमान है और ये हिंदुस्तान में नहीं सहा जाएगा।
That is Tejinder Bhalla, who's one of the 3 members of a group called the Bhagat Singh Kranti Sena, who attacked senior lawyer Prashant Bhushan. They say it's because of his statements of giving away Kashmir to Pakistan, saying there was a blot on the Indian martyrs who had died in that state. One of them has been taken into custody and been questioned at the Tilak Marg police station. 2 others escaped after this incident in which Prashant Bhushan was majorly roughed up. Other people also, you can see, were trying to protect him and stop these attackers, also being hit in the process. The attacker was also beaten up in the melee. Prashant Bhushan currently at the Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital getting a precautionary health checkup. There's been strong condemnation from the Congress, with both the national spokesperson and in fact also the Home Minister now strongly condemning this attack. This is in fact one of those attackers, Tejinder Bhalla of the Bhagat Singh Kranti Sena, one of the accused who's been arrested now. You can see there the police arrived there after staff of Prashant Bhushan filed a complaint. He is currently being questioned in the Tilak Marg police station. 2 other people who were involved in that fracas have escaped soon after that. Lawyers in fact handing over this man to the police, who are now questioning him at the Tilak Marg police station. Arunachalam Vaidyanathan is on the phone line with us again. So now we know these people were from the Bhagat Singh Kranti Sena and were upset about some position Mr. Bhushan had allegedly taken on Kashmir and Pakistan.
Yeah, of course. That's what actually the page pamphlet given by this attacker basically says: if you break our nation, we will break your head. That's in English, but rest of it is in completely Hindi, which basically says attribute saying that Mr. Prashant Bhushan's statement a week ago saying that there should be a referendum in J&K, which the attackers strongly opposed it, and that's why they just entered into his chambers, in the new lawyer chamber just across the Bhagat Singh Marg opposite the Supreme Court, and started attacking him. And of course he fell, and before he could get up, there were more attacks on Prashant Bhushan. So by the time the lawyers in the neighboring chambers and also his juniors got hold of him, so now one of the attackers were caught and the rest ran away. Now he is in the Tilak Marg police station. As for Mr. Prashant Bhushan's concern, he is just taking the medical checkup.
There's been strong condemnation already from all sides, with lawyers understandably extremely upset. Whether?
Yes, Amitabh, lawyers are quite upset because after the Delhi High Court bomb blast, there was a complete security was up in the Supreme Court. But as far as this